Good morning to the students of class 9 and welcome to your French class. Today we're taking up a new lesson, the seventh one from your textbook, which is called Le Carnaval. Now the lesson is pretty long, so we're going to split it up into two videos. In this one, we're going to do the two letters exchanged between Thibaut and Maria. Now in these two letters you will find that one is a letter and one is a reply letter to the previous letter. So in the first letter you will find a French boy named Thibaut writing to a Goan girl named Maria. And in the second letter you will find that it's Maria's reply to Thibaut. When you read these two letters, please make sure that you are focusing as well on the format, because these two letters follow the same format which I have already done with you. Nice, le 2 janvier. Chère Maria, j'accepte ton invitation pour passer le carnaval à Goa. Pour la première fois, je serai absent pour celui de Nice, qui est le plus célèbre en France. So Thibaut starts his letter by giving his place, which is Nice is a city in France, and then the date, 2nd of Jan. Then the salutation is Cher with an E because Maria is a girl. Then he starts, I am accepting your invitation to spend the carnival in Goa. For the first time, la fois is time, and you know premier is the ordinal number for one. So the first time I will be absent for that of Nice. So lui here is a demonstrative pronoun signifying the carnival of Nice. Serai is être in the future tense. I will be absent. Qui est le plus célèbre en France, which is the most famous carnival of France. Ici, la fête dure 2 semaines. Toute la ville est décorée par des artistes, on se déguise, il y a un défilé de chars et surtout la bataille de fleurs. So now Thibaut goes on to describe the Nice Carnival. Here, the festival, that is the carnival, lasts for 2 weeks. Durer is to last. The entire city is decorated by artists. People disguise themselves. Se déguiser is to disguise or to dress up. There is a parade of floats. And above all, or most importantly, the Battle of the Flowers. C'est très impressionnant et des gens viennent de toute l'Europe pour participer dans cette fête. So, the Battle of the Flowers is very impressive. Impressionnant, impressive. And people come from all over Europe to participate in this festival. On dit que comme à Nice, à Venise ou à Rio de Janeiro, il y a une grande tradition carnavalesque à Goa. Je suis curieux de savoir comment cela se passe à Goa. Mes amis sont très jaloux de moi. So, people say, or it is heard, that like in Nice, in Venice, or in Rio de Janeiro. Now, Nice is where he stays, the city in France. Venice is another famous city in Italy. Rio, I'm sure you all know, is in Brazil. So in these places, there is a large tradition of the carnival, as well as in Goa. So I'm curious to know how this takes place in Goa, how people of Goa celebrate their carnival, because obviously it'll be different from the way they celebrate it in the other parts of the world. So my friends are very jealous of me because he gets to go to Goa to celebrate the carnival. Now please note, look at how he ends his letter. He says Ami Kalma and then he gives his first name only. Okay, so that was Thibaut's letter. Now we're coming to Maria's reply letter to him. So again, she starts with the place and the date. Then she says Chez Thibaut. Now Chez does not have an extra E because she is writing to a boy. So, je suis contente de savoir que tu seras chez nous pour le carnaval. Les Portugais ont amené cette tradition européenne à Goa. So now she's giving him a little bit of history about the carnival in Goa. I am very happy to know that you will be with us for the carnival. Será is here future again, simple future of être. The Portuguese, as in the people from Portugal, brought this European tradition to Goa. Amener is to bring. Avant, la fête s'appelait Intrus et les gens se jetaient de l'eau et de différentes poudres à la figure. Now previously, the festival, that is carnival, was called Intrus. Notice s'appelait here is in the imperfect because it's a condition of the past. And the people used to throw water on each other and different powders on the face. Now you know le visage is the face. Another word for it is la figure, which also means the face. So this is how the carnival used to be celebrated in the past. Ils se maquillaient, se déguisaient et se baladaient dans les rues. Aujourd'hui, le samedi, on a un grand défilé de chars spectaculaire. Now they used to put makeup on themselves, they used to dress up or disguise themselves, and they used to roam in the streets. Se balader is to roam. Today, that is Saturday, there is a spectacular parade of floats. Pendant 3 jours, c'est le règne de Sa Majesté, le roi Momo. Pour Mardi Gras, on organise le bal rouge et noir dans la rue principale de Pongy. Now these are two things you know very well, that for 3 days it's the reign or it's the rule of His Majesty King Momo. So le roi is the king. Pour Mardi Gras. Now Mardi Gras is actually Fat Tuesday, which is basically the day before Lent starts, the day before Ash Wednesday. So what is organized on that day is called the red and black dance. You know, a ball is a large dance. Rouge et noir are the two colors, red and black, in the main street of Panjim, la rue principale, the main street of Panjim. So she concludes by saying, Tu verras, ce sera une expérience inoubliable. This is entirely in the future tense because it's something that will happen. You will see that this will be an unforgettable experience. Verra is voir in the future. Sera is être in the future. Again, she concludes by saying, with a subscription. Je t'embrasse is with hugs or with love, Maria, her first name only. So students, this is the end of the first part of this lesson, which is the two letters between Thibaut and Maria. I hope the explanation was clear to you, that you've understood, as well as the pronunciations. I will see you soon with another video to explain the second part of this lesson. Take care. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.